Tips to help your child use a balance bike. Balance bikes eliminate the use of training wheels, so kids are able to go right into learning how to balance and then a pedaling instead of learning to pedal first and then balancing. Kids balance bikes are some of the best you can get as first bikes for your kids because they have all the features that ensure that they remain safe and comfortable. Because they come in different styles and colors, you should not have a hard time selecting the most suitable for your child. In essence, balance bikes usually do not come with pedals and the kids need to push themselves along the ground with feet so they are able to focus more on how to find their own balance. After demonstrating they can actually balance consistently on the bike, they now go to pedaled bikes. Even though the balance bikes make very good choices for kids, you also need to make sure that your child gets the necessary help to get them started on the bike. A few tips will help you get it right in helping your child learn how to use the balance bike so they can graduate into a pedaled bike in no time at all. 1. Start by getting your child the right protective gear before they hop onto the bike. A helmet, elbow and knee pads are some of the most essential. You can also consider bicycle gloves if your child seems nervous. 2. Ensure that the training area is paved and flat to give your child an easier time getting familiar with the balance bike. You can use a slight hill to help them gain some momentum in coasting. 3. Lower the bicycle seat to a level that is suitable enough for the child. It is best that you ensure that it is at a level when the feet can remain flat on the ground to offer the best comfort for the child during the ride. 4. Mark lanes using sidewalk chalk so that your child has some sort of guide in terms of where to ride. 5. Let the child start pushing along the ground using the feet on the lanes before challenging them to try coasting with feet up. 6. When you are sure that they can manage balancing on the bike, you can then introduce pedals. With the balancing act in check, you will love how easy it is for them to hop onto a bike and pedal. Just make sure that you get them the right-sized pedal bike for easy pedaling and comfort. You may need to hold the seat back for some time till they can manage to balance and pedaling at the same time, but this doesn't take long, they soon will be flying. Aluminum and steel are the commonly used material on balance bikes for kids. Consider the pros and cons of each so you can choose the best for your child. Consider the possibility of attaching pedals on the balance bike once the balance training is over so you do not need to buy a new pedaled bike. If you would like to add something based on your experience and help other moms in our community, feel free to write a comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel.